Today I'm going to show you how to install the towing hooks, manually shifting the transmission into neutral and unlocking the steering wheel on a Kia Sportage. It's a straightforward process, but it's essential to get it right for those moments when you need to tow your car. First, open the lift gate and retrieve the towing hook from the toolkit located under the cargo floor. Now move to the front of the vehicle. Take a close look at the bumper. You'll notice a hole cover. To remove it, press the lower part of the cover firmly. Just like that, the cover comes off, revealing the mounting hole. Now grab the towing hook and align it with the hole. Insert it into the hole, then turn it clockwise until it's fully secured. If you find it difficult to turn the hook by hand, you can use the wheel lug nut wrench from the toolkit. Insert the wrench inside the hole and turn it clockwise. Make sure you give it a good twist to lock it in place. This ensures a tight and stable fit. And there you have it. The front towing hook is securely installed and ready for use. Just attach a towing strap to the tow hook and you are good to go. But before you can tow your Sportage, it is very important to shift the transmission into neutral. Otherwise, you will damage the transmission. You can actually shift the auto transmission into neutral manually without starting the engine. Just remove this cap labeled Shift Lock Release using a screwdriver and then press the big white button inside. Now release the parking brake. And don't forget to unlock the steering wheel. Just press the push start button once and the car will enter accessory mode and it will unlock the steering wheel. Your Sportage is now ready to be towed by another car. Now let's move on to the rear of the car. You will see another hole in the rear bumper. Remove the cover by pressing the lower part firmly. Insert the towing hook and twist it clockwise until it's fully secured. Now install a towing strap and you're ready to give a tow to another car. After you're done towing, don't forget to remove the towing hook and reinstall the cover to keep everything tidy. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more helpful car tips. See you in the next video.